Hey Pink Squad, my name is Barbie Pink Lifestyle, and if this is your first time seeing my face in your screen, then welcome. Make sure you stick around by clicking that subscribe button down below. And if you're already a subby of mine, you guys know that I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so today's video is actually going to be my first bag unboxing, and this is an inspired bag video. So if you don't like inspired brand videos, go ahead and click out of this video. Maybe the next video will be more up your speed. I don't want to offend anyone or offend any brand, so yeah, just if you don't like videos like this, go ahead and click out of it now before we get into it. A lot of you guys know, if you've been keeping up with me, you know that I did travel to the Bahamas, and while I was there, guys, I didn't know this, but it's kind of like New York. Basically, when you get there, there's a bunch of people greeting you, asking you if you want your hair braided, asking you if you want keychains, asking you, you know, do you want pictures, pretending you're a celebrity. Like, it's like a lot of stuff that they will ask you. Basically, do you want to blow a check is what they're trying to ask you. But when you're there, there's also really nice ladies that'll be holding up signs that say like, not free bags, but there are signs that say like bags. Obviously, it's not real, you know, it's inspired. So an inspired bag is basically a bag that resembles an authentic bag that may be like a $2,000 bag, but you can get it for like $100 bucks. But guys, let me show you. The bag that I got was this one. I'm just going to go ahead and do the unboxing. So I actually bought it and I left it in this thing. So it came, she put it in this thing. You know, it was just like a little duster bag that she put it in. And the duster bag does say Louis Vuitton on it. But I did not get inspired Louis. I got an inspired Gucci bag because Gucci is like winning right. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. I accidentally just put this on my candle that's burning. Oh my god. Okay, when you guys are filming your videos, be careful where you throw your stuff. Don't throw it the direction of the candle. But anyways, so I got this inspired bag and she just folded it up like this. I actually don't even know the name of this. I'll do some research on it later and include like the real one in the description down below. If you want to buy the real one, I can probably try to find that. As for this one, I did ask the lady if they had a online store, and unfortunately they do not. But I know you can find inspired bags on like Poshmark. There's so many websites you can get inspired bags. But anyway, so this one came folded like this. It's really nice. And the hooks here, are for the strap, for the body strap. So it's just folded. So you have to unfold it and actually like push it in. And I'm honestly thinking about getting a bag base for this one. I don't know Gucci, honestly. Like, I'm really not familiar with Gucci, but I know as for Louis Vuitton, this resembles their Speedy bags. So it's just like that. And the straps are actually pretty big because I have bigger arms and I'm able to put it here in my arm. So I love that. This one does say Gucci right here. So once again, I'm not familiar with Gucci. I don't know exactly what the real one says, but I just wanted to go over the specs off of the inspired bag because I honestly think it is a pretty good bag to be inspired. The handles are pretty sturdy. I'll go ahead and let me get scissors. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and actually get it out of the packaging. You just want to be careful with the leather because it's probably not like the best leather. It actually smells like real leather, which is crazy. I can't believe I only paid 50 bucks for this bag. And you guys, I didn't even have that much cash on me. So when you're traveling out of the country, a little tip from me, as I'm waving these in my freaking eyelashes, but a little tip from me to you guys, when you're traveling outside of the country, make sure you do have a good amount of cash on you, but maybe put it like inside of your wallet in a backpack. Don't just carry it in a purse and travel, because I didn't take out that much cash, so I was actually only able to afford one bag, whereas if I would have took out more cash, then I would have got more bags. But I'm not even worried about it because I'm going to go to New York in April for IMATS. Yeah, when I go to IMATS, I think IMATS is Saturday and Sunday, so I'll spend that Friday in New York basically buying inspired bags, inspired wallets. You know I'm cheap, so yeah, even the so this is the bag without the plastic on it. The handles are pretty good. It's actually stitched through. It's stitched all the way through. There's a gold zipper on the bag and it says Gucci. And inside the bag, the lady put the body strap on it for me. So I have my body strap that hooks onto the sides of the bag. The bag right now is honestly going to keep folding down like this because I don't have anything in it. And it's been folded down for a week. Yeah, like a week. So yeah, the inside of the bag is pretty spacious. It has a zip pocket here that I can put some things in, which is perfect. And there's a tag on the bag that actually says Gucci right there. And then if you flip it to the other side, it has two pockets. So a pocket here for like a cell phone, and another pocket here I could put like gum or something there. So yeah, overall, I feel like I really did get a good steal. I mean, hello, it looks just like Gucci, and you can't beat that for 50 bucks. If it looks like a fake, then it just looks like a fake, but it's gonna be my fake, so yeah. If you guys like bags like this, you can get them online at websites like Poshmark, like inspired ones, or if you have the money to splurge, boo, then go ahead and splurge, but I don't have the money to do that. And even if I did, I don't think I would splurge on a purse, you know. I'd rather do things like pay off a car note or, you know, make payments on things. I'd rather do stuff like that. If you guys like this video, make sure you let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. And comment down below if you like this bag or if it looks like the real one, if it looks like the fake one. Let me know, guys, because I'm really not familiar with Gucci. I really like Louis Vuitton, honestly, but I've had inspired Neverfools and all those inspired ones, so I just wanted to be different and try a Gucci one and see how I like that. So yeah, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also click that subscribe button down below, and also leave a comment down below your favorite part of the video. Let me know more about the bag name, because once again, I don't know this one. I probably should do some research on it because I don't even know if it looks like the real one or not, honestly. I just thought it was cute. So yeah, you can't beat that for 50 bucks. Once again, I will be going to IMATS in New York City, and that is in April. If you guys are going, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe we can link up, take pictures, and all that good stuff. And I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!